So today on the Bueller Punch, where we're heading today is the city of San Dimas, and it's home to two iconic hot rod shops, SoCal Speed Shop and the early Ford store. But before we take you to the shops, we got to tell you a little bit about this nice, cool little town. San Dimas became a pioneer in water production and conservation in the 1880s with the perfect environment for growing, packing, and distributing citrus fruits. From 1900 to 1929, the citrus industry brought significant economic growth to the town. The San Dimas Orange Grove Association and the San Dimas Lemon Growers Association thrived until they experienced the post-war boom. By the 1950s, land became more valuable than the citrus it produced. The San Dimas lemon packing plant was the last one in Southern California to close down in 1963. The Walker House was originally completed in 1887 as the San Dimas Hotel. In the same year, the Santa Fe Railroad connected east and west. At the cost of $20,000, it never had paying guests, so the building and the 40 acres of land were sold to James and Sue Walker in 1889 for the cost of $25,000. And now this house is managed by the San Dimas Historical Society and has a museum, archives, and a gift shop on the second floor of this Walker House. So today, SoCal Speed Shop. This is their open house just before the Grand National Roadster Show, and we're going to take a peek, have a little fun at the SoCal Speed Shop. So come on. So this is their showroom, and as you could see, there's another place of eye candy, and again, all in San Dimas. Who would have thought that this little town is a hot rod town?
Jared.
So you never know not only who you're going to meet, who you just saw. Anyway, there's a shop behind SoCal. Quicksilver does all the pinstriping and just some awesome work. Plus they got a real cool shop. So stick your nose in there. So the next stop is the early Ford store. This one's unique, and I'm telling you, eye candy everywhere if you're an old car guy. Well, if you're looking for brake drums, I think they've got them. Oh, there is eye candy in this place. Holy smokes. Everywhere you look, there's something to see. It's all crammed in this tiny place. Thanks everybody for coming. It's been an absolute pleasure. The guys, everybody that we met here are just fantastic. SoCal, you guys knock it out of the park for kind of open houses. But if you're ever in San Dimas Early Ford store, SoCal Speed Shop, they're within 3 minutes of each other. And how can you complain about two hot rod shops within pretty much walking distance? So we'll see you next time on the Bueller Bunch, and have a good day. And I'll see you next time.
The Bueller Bunch.